Today we have a season of gifting mystery box. Let's see what color the cutie is. This is a really nicely packaged box. This is a new Cricut cutie color. Look, it's so pretty. We also have a set of gel pens. Here's that color one. And you can use these on your Explorer and Maker machines. We also have a pack of cards. It's the Cutaway Sampler Cards R10. There's a decent amount in here. So as you can see, these are the Cutaway Insert Holographic. Look at how gorgeous it is. It comes in a light blue and pink, so it is perfect for any cards for boys and girls. Here is a glitter iron-on gold, the everyday iron-on in Kelly green, an adhesive foil glossy metallic. I really love these for the holidays, for making designs for cups. Here is a premium vinyl permanent bright sampler. So as you can see, I didn't rip it out, but there's different colors in here. You also have some foil transfer sheet metallic sampler. You'll have gold, silver, and bronze, and a wine bag. So here's a snapshot of the overview of what's in the box. This box is $59.99 for Access members only. If you're a premium Access member, it ships for free. Remember to use my